I realized I was getting pine sap on my hands. They stick when I put them together. But it smells so good. I love the smell of pine sap. And then I realized later I had pine sap on my shirt and I had pine sap on my pants. That's what I get for minding my own business. The pine sap came out and attacked me. And if you have ever been in this situation where pine sap has just basically like jumped out of nowhere and attacked you, because that's what pine sap does. It attacks you. It jumps onto your hands and onto your clothes without you even knowing it. It just does it. You can't treat it with normal stain stuff and expect it to disappear in the wash. It won't work. It has ruined my shirt. The pine sap will not come out. And it has ruined my pants. The pine sap will not come out. That is okay. I know a secret. A special secret. And I'm going to share it with you on how to get pine sap out of your clothes and off of your fingers. Hey y'all, this is Amy, and it's another episode of A Lolly Life, brought to you by Pine Sap That Attacks. First off, hand sanitizer. This has got a cute little spray. Cleaning toothbrush. And I cannot see it at all. Let's see how it does in the laundry this time. The other way to get out pine sap is with rubbing alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. I think that it came out a lot faster with the alcohol than it did with the hand sanitizer, but we'll run this through the wash and we'll see how it did. No pine sap. None whatsoever. Right here on the thing. La la la. No pine sap. None. No pine sap. And there is nothing there. It came out completely. Ching. Nothing there. It is really obnoxious. Pine sap. Super obnoxious. So what are we going to do? We are going to clean it off. We're gonna try hand sanitizer first, and then we're gonna try some rubbing alcohol. It did some good, but we're still definitely sticking together. So let's try the rubbing alcohol. Oh, the rubbing alcohol, it stinks. Did you know that? Did you know rubbing alcohol stinks? It does. It still feels a little bit tacky. Just like a little bit. We'll try a little bit more hand sanitizer. So the rubbing alcohol didn't take it all the way off, neither did the hand sanitizer. It's mostly off, but my hands are still, like, they just stick to each other. Yeah. Definitely still sticking to each other. So we're going to try something else. Mineral oil. Well, it doesn't feel sticky anymore, at least. But it's very, very slimy. I don't think they feel sticky. Nope, not sticky. Hey, how'd that get there? You know, I heard that for every like and subscribe on this video, that a little bit of magic stops a pine cone from being able to attack it with its pine sap. I heard that. Now you did too. I was able to wash off the mineral oil with a little bit of Dawn dish soap. Washes off super easy. I wouldn't try the oil on your clothes because it will probably stain your clothes. But on your hands, the oil seems to work really, really well. So we learned that the hand sanitizer and the rubbing alcohol do amazingly well on your clothing. And the hand sanitizer and the rubbing alcohol don't work quite so well on your hands. But oil, like mineral oil, baby oil, that kind of thing, does work well on your hands. And with that, we are finished with our Pine Sappy episode, and I will see you next time.